y'all, my name is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. This is so easy that I hate to call it a DIY, but here we go. I picked up this 12-inch gold egg at the Dollar Tree. I like the gold color, but I will say if gold is not your thing, Hobby Lobby had the plastic eggs in a variety of pastels, and when you applied the 40% discount, they were less money than the Dollar Tree. But I did not see the gold eggs at Hobby Lobby, only pastels. I found these butterfly decals in the home decor aisle at Dollar Tree. They are self-adhesive and they had several different sizes of butterflies on the two sheets. All I did was place the butterflies around the egg. This adhesive on the decal is very impressive. I smoothed out the air bubbles carefully with my fingers. You can use a tool for this, but I did not want to get too aggressive and interrupt the integrity of the decal. If you need to pick your decal up and adjust the placement, you can do that. Just be very careful because, like I said, the adhesive is very, very impressive, and once you get it smoothed out and get the air bubbles smoothed out, it is on there very securely. When I was at Bailey's Discount Center in North Judson, Indiana, I picked up this wooden candle stand for $1.99. When I purchased it, I was not certain what I was going to do with it, but it was a really good price. And I'm going to use some rub and buff and antique gold to make this wooden candle stand fit my decor taste a little bit more. And this spring season, it will be the base for my gold egg. No matter where you shop, if you find something that is a really good bargain, you can always use rub and buff or a little spray paint to make anything fit your design style and your taste. While you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you know when I've uploaded a new video. Give this video a thumbs up, because if I do anything, no matter how small, I share it with you, because I hope that whatever idea I share gives you inspiration to design something even more fabulous. I have painted these $5 jumbo Dollar Tree eggs before, and that DIY is in my Easter spring playlist. I have used them in my outdoor decor for several seasons. They have finally succumbed to the weather, so this year I decided to do something simple. So I grabbed 2 of these cute self-adhesive decal sheets from the Dollar Tree. They have the cutest little bow designs. And I used the seam of the egg to keep my decals aligned, and I wrapped the center of the egg with the bows in an alternating pattern. When I got to the top of the egg, I laid the decals down gently so that I could rearrange the pattern at the top and make sure that I got the bows even. And then when I was pleased with the pattern, I smoothed out the wrinkles and made sure that it was nice and secure. If you live in a windy part of the world, then before you put the egg together, you could put some river rocks in the bottom. And if you live in a very rainy part of the world, you could also put some Mod Podge over the decals to make them more weather resistant. There are so many options with this DIY, and it is a really easy DIY for any skill level. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.